Welcome to Make Science Easy with Sir Kel. Hi learners, welcome to our science video series Understanding Plants. Last time we learned about needs of a plant. Today, we'll focus on one special part, the leaves. They may look simple, but they have an amazing job, making food for the plant. Look around your home or school. Do all leaves look the same? Some are big and flat. Others are tiny or needle-like. Let's find out why they're so different and what they do. Why leaves are important. Leaves aren't just for decoration. They are the main site where plants make their own food. And this process is called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis comes from the two Greek words. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So, photosynthesis literally means putting together with light. During this process, leaves use sunlight energy to combine water from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air to make food for the plant, a sugar called glucose. But how do leaves capture sunlight? They use a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll works like a solar panel, trapping energy from the sun. This energy is then used to combine water, which roots absorb, and carbon dioxide, which enters through tiny openings in the leaves to make glucose. And here's the amazing part. While making food, plants also release oxygen into the air, which all animals, including humans, need to breathe. Those tiny openings where carbon dioxide enters are called stomata, from the Greek word stoma, meaning mouth. They work like tiny mouths do, that can open and close. When they open, carbon dioxide comes in, and oxygen and water vapor go out. The plant controls when to open or close these stomata to save water or get more air. On a hot, dry day, the stomata may close to keep the plant from losing too much water, but when conditions are good, they open wide to let the plant breathe and make food. Let's put it all together. Sunlight is captured by chlorophyll in the leaves. Roots take in water from the soil and set it up to the leaves through the stem. Carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Using sunlight energy, the plant combines water and carbon dioxide to make glucose, the plant's food. Oxygen is released into the air as byproduct. Without leaves doing this process, life on Earth would look very different because plants form the base of most food chains and give us the oxygen we need to survive. Now, let's zoom in on the leaf and explore its different parts one by one. Stem, which supports the leaf and connects it to the plant. Nodes is where the leaf attaches to the stem. Petiole is the leaf stalk that connects the leaf blade to the stem. Leaf lamina. This is the wide, flat part of the leaf where photosynthesis happens. Midrib, the strong central vein running through the middle of the leaf. Veins. These are the lines that branch from the midrib, carrying water and nutrients. Tip pointed end of the leaf. Every part works together to help the leaf to do its job, making food for the plant. Leaves can have different vein patterns. Palmately reticulate veins spread out from a single point like the fingers on your hand. Pinnately reticulate veins branch out from a main central line like the barbs on a feather. Leaves can be simple or compound. A simple leaf has one blade attached to a petiole like jackfruit, guava, or oregano. A compound leaf has many leaflets attached to a petiole like malunggay, tamarind, fern, and acacia. Compound leaves can also be palmate, where all leaflets are attached at the same point, or pinnate, where leaflets grow opposite each other along a central stalk. Some leaves are modified for special purposes. The tendrils of a pea plant help it climb. The Venus flytrap catches insects using sensory hairs. The spine of a cactus reduces water loss and protect it from animals. Farmers and gardeners check leaves to see if plants are healthy. Yellowing, spots, or drooping can mean the plant needs more water, nutrients, or protection from pests. Let's check what you remember. Which of these is not a modified leaf? A. Cactus spine. B. Pea plant tendril. C. Pine needle. D. Venus flytrap. You have 5 seconds to answer. If you answered C. Pine needle, you're correct. Pine needles are just a type of leaf shape, not a special modification. Leaves give us fresh air, shade, and food. We can care for them by planting more trees, watering plants regularly, and never destroying healthy leaves. Leaves may seem simple, but they are the powerhouse of the plant world. Now you know what keeps plants alive. Great job, plant scientists. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at the parts of the plant and how each part helps it to survive. See you next time! Thank you for watching! Subscribe for more videos.